Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Power on the Xbox Series X and enable remote play in settings. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices. Connect the console to the router via Ethernet if possible, or select a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network on both devices. Install the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store on your laptop, then open it and choose the console icon. This creates the direct link you need to stream gameplay to the laptop. Once connected, configure streaming and controls for smooth play. In the Xbox app, select Remote Play and pick your console, then choose Streaming Quality. Prioritize 720p or 1080p at 3060 FPS based on bandwidth. Pair your controller to the laptop, using USB for minimal lag or Bluetooth if supported. Make sure Windows power settings and GPU mode favor performance, close background apps. You're tuning for reduced latency and stable frames, so gameplay feels responsive and looks correct on your laptop display. Finish by optimizing and knowing how to troubleshoot quickly. Start a short session to measure latency and visual quality. Enable low latency modes if offered. If input lag or stutter appears, move to wired Ethernet for both devices, lower streaming resolution or frame rate, and close background downloads. If problems persist, power cycle the router, restart the console, and update Windows GPU drivers. One key tip: test with a direct USB controller on the console to rule out wireless issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.